I want to show you why this one simple niche is quietly one of the best ways to get started with KDP right now. They're called cute and cozy coloring books, and they work for a reason. They're comforting, they're giftable, they sell year round, and more importantly, they don't rely on trends that disappear overnight. But here's the problem most people run into. They love the idea of coloring books, but they don't necessarily have the skills to create them by hand. They don't have the budget to hire illustrators. And when it comes to picking the right niche, they freeze before they even start. So in this video, I'm gonna break that cycle. I'll walk you through the potential of this cute and cozy coloring book niche, the examples of books that are doing well, and a simple and practical way to start creating these books without drawing and without a big budget. No messing around, just a clear path from idea to publishable book that you can sell on Amazon or Etsy. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. If we take a look at this example, now this one did very, very well in Q4 and still actually doing pretty well right now. It's called Winter Moments Coloring Book. And as you can see, this is the style of this book, and actually on the back cover there are a few pages of the interior. It's kind of hard to see, but it's actually very well done. This one looks like it was hand drawn and not necessarily AI. And if we look at the bestsellers rank, 42,271, that's 30-day royalties estimated at around $400 to $600 per month. Now, the thing I like about these cute and cozy coloring books is that you can typically price them a little bit higher. And that is that you can price these books typically at around $9.99. And the thing is, they're not very long either. As you can see, 90 pages overall, which means only about 40 to 45 illustrations. And so whether you're hiring an illustrator, which I know is very hard to do, it's very expensive, or you actually find or figure out how to use AI to create these types of coloring pages, once you figure it out, 45 illustrations is not a lot of pages. Now here's some more of the book's specifics, some more of the interiors. Very well done book. As you can see, here are more of the close-ups of the interiors. And this book did really, really well in Q4. Now here's another example. This one's in a different niche, but same type of book. And this one includes a test color page, some quotes. Now, I'm gonna say right off the bat that this looks like it was created by AI. Number one, it looks like this image wasn't upscaled. It's kind of blurry on my end, which actually you don't want that to be the case. And that's one of the issues with AI illustrations, is that typically people don't upscale them when they put them in their books. But all in all, it actually looks very good. Cohesive type of images, character stays the same. Now, this book ranked at 36,842, sees an estimated 30-day royalties of $251 to $376 per month, priced a little bit lower at $7.99. And this one has 50 overall coloring pages. So total, this book's about 105 pages, not very long either. And let's look at the A+ content. Here's some more close-ups of the interior. So what this publisher did, they have the coloring page on the right, and then on the left, which is usually left as a blank page for bleed through, they actually put some facts about Highland cows, which is actually some added value there for your customers. Actually quite a nice touch. Then some more images here of what the interior looks like. Now another example of one of these cute and cozy books. This one, another different theme, mountain and lake retreat. As you can see, log cabin, mountains, trees in the background, some camping gear right there. And then looking at the pages, test color page. And then here, I believe is one of the pages. It looks grayscale, so I don't know if this is correct, but here's one of the pages right here. And if you're gonna ask me, 100% looks like it was created by AI. You can see whatever AI program they're using, kind of old because it doesn't connect the lines here, it's missing here. I mean, you're gonna wanna clean this up if you're using AI and it doesn't really finish the lines, but especially right here in these areas, like there, you can tell this is probably made by AI. But actually, that's not that big of a deal if you check out the reviews, and they have good reviews. This one, 76% a 5-star, but the other rating is a 1-star. So overall, it is a good concept. Good pages, but I think the interiors could probably be improved. And that's where you can probably come in and make a better book than this once you figure out how to create this type of book that I'm going to show you in just a second. This one, bestsellers rank 233,138. So 30-day royalties estimated around $100 to $150 per month, priced at $9.99, and 50 illustrations overall, so about 104 pages. And if we look at the A+ content, as you can see, pretty nice images. But if you look at this one specifically, look at these floating tubes. It looks like it has eyes. So I don't know. Definitely looks like it was made by AI, but obviously it still sells and it's selling well. Now, one more example of these cute and cozy coloring books. This one is based off of the cozy animals. As you can see, lots of different themes, lots of different ways that you can go about this. You can create lots of books within this cute and cozy coloring book niche. When we look at the meat and potatoes, here is the actual pages. Now, this one's going to be a little bit more advanced, more intricate. There's grayscaling happening here. And this tells me that this was probably made by AI. Because if you look even at some of these images, for example, the birds, there are twin birds up here and then down here. I mean, this deer kind of looks a little bit off, but that doesn't really matter that much if the reviews are doing well. Look, 4.6 out of 5, 79% is a 5-star. So this book is selling very, very well. They don't mind that it was created by AI. And really, it's a short book, 25 pages of coloring, which means only 62 pages overall, priced at $9.99. This is the type of situation that you want to be in as a KDP publisher. And if we look at the bestsellers rank, 44,560. That's good for 30-day royalties estimated around $400 to $600 per month off of one single simple book that was obviously created by AI. Now, if we look at the A+ content, we can see some more of the interiors. Here they are. And if you really take a close look at it, you can see and you can tell for yourself that it was definitely made by AI. I mean, you have the same bird 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times here. And there's just something off with the way this deer looks. Not to mention when I look at this one right here, when you look at the intricacies of these flowers, you can see that it's not all completely there. It loses detail as you get into the more finer details. But all in all, it still works. People are buying it and people like it. So that just means that AI really does work and you just have to use it appropriately. You don't want to put out AI slop. You want to put out things that look good, that you're going to be proud of. Now, just to take a quick look at this niche, we can see total results 321. So not too competitive. Now, obviously, you're not going to directly target cute and cozy coloring book. You're going to target the sub niches within this cute and cozy coloring book. So things like animals or camping or things like that nature. But as you can see, niche score here, 76 times pro analysis, demand 5, opportunity in 8, and all the books here obviously are doing very, very well. These are the ones that are ranking at the top of the top. A lot of bestsellers here, and a lot of the top rankings here are owned by the big publishers. However, it doesn't mean that you can't get in on the action. It just means that you got to find a sub niche, and I showed you 4 of them that you can sink your teeth into and create a competent book that people will actually enjoy and start leaving reviews. That's the biggest key, is have your customers start leaving reviews for your book. Is going to go a long way to keep your book selling. Now, here's something that surprises a lot of people the first time they look really closely. A huge number of cute and cozy coloring books that you see selling on Amazon, they aren't actually hand-drawn from scratch, not in the traditional sense. With how far AI illustration has progressed, it's now capable of producing artwork that feels hand-drawn, especially in softer, cozy styles without that messy, obvious AI look people worry about. And this is where things really click. The reality is this is probably one of the simplest ways to create cute and cozy coloring books today, especially if you're just starting out or you want to publish without overcomplicating things. Now, I've been actually working on one of these books and I wanted to show you what it looks like. Keep in mind, I did not create this by hand. I used AI to actually create this entire book. But as you can see, this one, Cozy Mountain Cabin, a gentle woodland retreat coloring book for adults. Now, all of these could be changed and I could easily change that out. And this is the cover concept. I just pasted it on here so you can see this. But the rest of the pages that you're going to see is actually the interior. And for the first page, obviously always include a coloring book belongs to page. And so this is the one that I made, very easy to do. All you have to do is put on a text on the screen, hit effects, hit outline here, and play with this right here. Just color it black and voila. Very easy to do. The next page is typically a blank page. I could do anything with this page. I could put facts here like what that other book did. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm gonna leave this blank. Now here is the actual first page of my book. As you can see, it actually looks pretty good. I would say so myself. You can tell in some areas that it could probably be from AI. I mean, some of these logs right here don't really look completely in place, but as a whole actually looks very, very good. You have your mountain in the background, your pine trees, you have the frames hanged up on the wall. Obviously, very evident it's a log cabin, and the fireplace is right there. Stone fireplace at that, snuggled up beside the fireplace. Now the next page here, obviously blank page, but then here is the next page. As you can see, all snuggled up, same character looking out through the window at the scenery. This is of a mountain view with the evergreen trees and the sky. Very cozy type of vibe. Now, one thing you want to do if you're dealing with AI is you want to upscale. Now with Canva, you can easily do that. If you just click on the image here, click on edit, you can go to down here under apps, see all, and there's this right here, image upscaler. Now this has a crown on it, so it can only be used if you're paying for Canva Pro. But if you have Canva Pro, you can easily use this. I do 4x and I go ahead and hit upscale. It literally only takes a couple seconds, and then it's going to show you what the before and after looks like. So if I just zoom in here, you can see just how blurry it gets when you zoom in. But when you replace it, I'm going to show you what happens here. And as you can see, the lines just cleared up so much. And as you look at this, really gives you a great crisp look that is very professional looking for a coloring book. So that's just one thing you want to do with all of your AI illustrations. And here is the next page. So once again, keeps with that cute and cozy vibe. It's really obvious that this is that type of book, same character, just doing a different type of activity. And then another one right here, drinking a hot cup of tea in the kitchen. You can see the stove right there, some jars up here, and then the view right there from the kitchen window, the evergreen trees. And one more for good measure, as you can see, he's fixing up a vase here of plants, and then some candles burning up here on the mantle, right there on the stool. A little bit dangerous if you ask me. However, very cute, very cozy vibe. And once again, I did not create this by myself. I simply just use AI, and actually I didn't even do that much. All I did was copy and paste into AI and really just got all these images. And this is really what I use. I use ChatGPT. Now keep in mind, I do pay for ChatGPT Plus, and really one of the big benefits of it is it allows me to generate more images than the free version. Now, this is the prompt right here. I know it's a little bit long. You can pause the video so you can read all of its intricacies, but essentially what this prompt is considered a super prompt because it gave me all of the other prompts to create all of the pages of the book, including the front cover, including a title, a subtitle, including the prompts for all of the pages, all the coloring pages, and even some other things like the SEO keywords. So let me show you what it came up with. Now the title is obviously right here. This can be changed at any time, but it does even give you that. And also a subtitle right here, even your description that you can easily copy and paste into Amazon KDP and Etsy. Then even gave me the SEO keywords without me having actually to do research. Obviously, I would still do research into SEO keywords, but this is a good starting point. And then the full color cover illustration prompt, which is right here, which all I have to do is copy this and then paste it into the text box right here. It'll do exactly what this asks. And then about 20 to 30 pages of coloring page prompts, and here they are, very simple. And then this one, I believe, stopped at 24. And so one thing that I did do is I just told it to generate the images as I give the prompts, and all the images, I want it to be a 1-to-1 ratio to keep in line with what the book type is. And then I started with the first one right here, cover illustration prompt. As you can see, that's exactly what I showed you in Canva. This is the result. The next one, this is page 1 of the prompt list. And as you can see, very simple. This is all on the first try. Obviously, if I wanted a different type of look, I could just resubmit the prompt. It would create a different looking prompt with the same type of vibe, same type of theme, same type of character. But as you can see, very easy to do. If there's something that you don't like, you can easily ask ChatGPT to, for example, fix the paw right here because it looks like it was blended into the blanket. Things of that nature you could easily ask and it would clean it up for you. But essentially, I created this coloring book completely from scratch with AI, and it's something that you can do too. Now, this is the exact prompt right here, number 213, that I decided to use for this tutorial. This is under the Cozy Mountain Cabins theme, and there's a bunch here right here, more Cozy Mountain Cabins theme. And actually, this is 342 prompts for these cute and cozy coloring books. You can take a look at all of them here: cottage porch moments, kawaii sewing and crafting, cozy tea rituals, kawaii gardening days, laundry room scenes, which is a popular niche these days, and then the cozy bath time animals. So a ton of themes here, ton of prompts here, but I just want to show you one of the prompts on this list and show you that you don't have to be an actual illustrator to produce a professional looking book in this niche. Now keep in mind that these super prompts are designed to be used for Nano Banana and actually the free version. I just wanted to use ChatGPT because I tend to like the results of the illustrations that come from ChatGPT for this type of niche. But this actually helps you tremendously because the free version of Nano Banana allows you to generate a lot of illustrations per day, which actually means that you could probably create this book or a couple books in one day. And all you'd have to do is just assemble the images that you generated in a tool like Canva. At this point, you've seen how approachable this really is. Cute and cozy coloring books don't require any type of drawing skills, and they don't require hiring illustrators. If you want to check out the exact prompt list that I use to create these types of coloring pages, I'll leave the link down in the description. Just to be upfront, it's not free, but for the time that it saves, the consistency that it gives you, and the quality of the pages that it helps produce, the value is easily worth more than the price. And if you're still early in your KDP journey and you want a broader roadmap, don't forget to grab my KDP Royalty Roadmap. It's free and designed to help you get your first low and medium content book published the right way. Links are down below. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.